Alright guys, thanks for stopping by. Unfortunately, some guy was right behind me. Like, I started recording and he walked up the stairs and then he was working right behind me, working on the door frame. So anyways, I only got like 20 seconds. I'm sorry guys, but that's all I got for you. But today I basically worked on cutting out the rest of the 3 energy meter holes to pipe in the energy meters. So basically cut a hole and then stuck my drill in there and then drilled the wood out, because there's wood above each panel. And then once I took the wood out, then I drilled through the metal panel box, and then I used the flexible Smurf tube, which is also just like a plastic tubing, flexible, sort of hard, but it worked. So I just piped that in and then screwed them to the wall to cover up the giant hole that I cut. So as you can see, it turned out pretty well. It went a lot smoother than I thought. The first one from yesterday, there was a stud in the way, which was annoying, so I just had to cut that out a little bit. And then I did go next door to work on a couple of lights, but I came back, so I didn't get a chance to record that for you guys. It's just a couple 4-foot kind of trough for lights, LED. So anyways, super smooth day, went by super fast, and this is literally the fastest, oh my gosh, this is literally the fastest week of my life. I cannot believe that this week is over, let alone today. I guess that's what happens when you only work 7 hours a day and you're doing stuff that doesn't bother you really that much. So anyways, don't forget about the giveaway. So this was my last day at work for like 3 weeks, so the channel won't really be having too much electrical stuff going on for the next 3 weeks. So if you don't want to watch any of that stuff, then I'll see you back in 3 weeks. But I'm gonna be going across country and it's gonna be fantastic, so make sure to stay tuned to check that out. I'll appreciate it if you check those out as well. And there will be a few electrical things because my friend needs some help at his house, so I will be helping him out. But don't forget to check out the giveaway, and that ends when I hit 1,000 subscribers, which will be within the next 5 days probably, or a week. So make sure to check that out. If you wouldn't mind subscribing, so I can get to 1,000 quicker, so I can live stream my trip for you guys, which would be fantastic if I could hang out with you guys, because I have literally nothing else to do while I drive like 3,000 miles across country. So if you subscribe, I can live stream once I hit 1,000 subscribers. So that's really all I'm looking forward to. I'm gonna go buy this is a really noisy car. I'm gonna go buy a phone mount so I can mount my phone to stream, and then yeah, and then I'm gonna take out some cash to, if I need any along the way or whatever. So those are my plans for today, is buy a phone mount and take some cash out of the bank. If you guys enjoyed the video, drop it a like. I know it was kind of short, but just giving you guys a little update here. I'd appreciate it. It helps me out a lot, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your weekend. Or have a great weekend, it just started, but have a great weekend, have a good rest of your day. God bless. I will see you Sunday, maybe. I'll be making videos Sunday, so I will be vlogging my trip, so make sure to stay tuned for that if you want to. So I will see you guys later. Peace out. Have a good rest of your day. Bye. Alright guys, one more thing I just remembered. Oh, there's a Corvette. What happened is I'm going to be doing something on Sunday or Monday that I would really love for you guys to watch live stream, which would be fantastic. So if we could get the 1,000 subscribers, that would be absolutely amazing. I'd love for you guys to check this out. I'm not going to be able to really edit videos while I'm gone on my computer, but this guy's from Florida? Corvette from Florida, let's go. So I will be editing videos on my phone, but anything that I get on my GoPro or anything, I'm not going to be able to edit. So I would love to live stream some stuff for you guys, because I can like access my GoPro files on my phone, but it's only allows me to export like 15 seconds at a time, which is super stupid. So I would love for you guys to check out some stuff live stream, which would be great. And I was gonna say something else, but I forgot. Now I remembered. I'm gonna be hanging out with some subscribers on my trip, so I'm looking forward to that. It's gonna be great. And then also I'm gonna be meeting a bunch of friends from Instagram. It's gonna be great. So look forward to that. I'll be keeping you posted, and that will do it, guys. Thanks. See you later.